Hi there, this is a brief video on how to use athletic.net so that you can view your sports performances and statistics. So I have entered in some fictitious information to get past their create new account and to run you through this. When you create the account, it will ask for your birth date. If you are not comfortable giving your actual birth date because you wonder why does athletic.net need to know your birthday if they're not actually going to give you anything for your birthday. They want to know that you're at least 13 years old. You also need to log in with your email, set up a password, etc. Once you do that, they will see if you already have an account here, and you can select yourself. Nope, I created a fictional Bob Smith. It was different. I'm going to click on I'm not listed. I am the athlete. And immediately they're going to want to know if you are registering yourself because there are individual competitions and things. Whether you want to follow. This is essentially they are pushing some social media that we don't really necessarily want or need. But if that's your cup of tea, there are all sorts of extra things. Going in and next, which topics are you interested in? We see that's optional information that helps us better serve you applicable content. Not really looking for content myself, just kind of want to see what my running time was. So I'm going to go ahead and unclick all of these, hoping that that clears out some of the garbage they'll probably put on the website. And which sports, I suppose I don't necessarily even need that, but I do want to see my statistics. And would you like to have next college student athlete contact you about college recruiting? I'm going to go no on that because I'm just not really looking to link up to another source that's probably after our money. Create the free account. Instantly, they want to ask you to upgrade because, like all websites, the idea here is to get lots of people using it, you spending a lot of time on it, and upsell you. But you don't need to do that. You're free. It's your money. You're free to do that if you like, but just click. Notice you can't say no. You can only say maybe later. And then we are in, and you'll notice the setup is kind of similar to like a Facebook style web page. There's going to be a feed. You can create posts and things like that. But following, again, the main purpose of the website, coaches are using this to register for events. The hosts of the events are mandating this website because it streamlines the reporting of times and track and cross country. And so this is where you can see the statistics. That's what we want. At this point, I'm going to switch over to an actual person site here, and you can see that what you'll get once an event has been created, or you'll get some different times in the form of like a post, which is a really kind of off way to look at all of them and go through that. But if you go over on the left-hand side here, you have teams. And when we click on that, now you get access to the schedule. Ignore the ads of them trying to sell you ridiculously priced clothing there. And you can see we've had 2 meets. One was canceled there. If we click on the meet from the day before, you can see that you can view results. That will give you the results not only of your performance or your child's performance, but all the other events as well for both genders. If you scroll down, you can show all results, or you can individually check on these. So we go in to see all results, and we have men and women's results here. The events are not in the order they were run necessarily, but the length of the distance it appears, and you can go through and look at statistics of you and other athletes, maybe see a different event you might do better in. PR stands for personal record. Looks like a lot of people had personal records because it was the first meet of the year. So I'm sure those times will come down. But this is the main benefit of the website, is being able to see the results very easily. They'll be posted within minutes of an event finishing, and you can see how your teammates did, how you did. And as we finish more meets, you'll be able to see how your times have progressed. I will also be giving you printed statistics at the end of the year, but this is a much faster way to already view that.